Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively use protein powder for your fitness goals. Protein powder is a popular and convenient dietary supplement, offering a concentrated source of protein. It's widely used to help meet daily protein requirements, especially for those with active lifestyles or specific fitness objectives. This supplement plays a crucial role in muscle repair and growth, making it a staple for many athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Understanding its benefits is the first step. Choosing the right protein powder depends on your goals. Whey protein, like whey isolate, is fast-digesting and excellent for muscle recovery after exercise, delivering amino acids quickly. Casein protein, on the other hand, digests slowly, making it suitable for sustained release, often taken before bed. For those with dietary restrictions, plant-based proteins such as pea or rice protein offer effective alternatives. Always check the label for ingredients and nutritional information to match your needs. Timing and dosage are key for maximizing protein powder benefits. Aim for a serving size of 20 to 40 grams of protein, depending on your body weight and activity level. Many find taking it within 2 hours after a workout beneficial for muscle repair and growth. Additionally, consuming a slow-digesting protein like casein before bed can support overnight muscle recovery. Consistent daily intake is more important than precise timing for most individuals. Incorporating protein powder into your diet is simple and versatile. The most common method is mixing 1 scoop with 8 to 12 ounces of water or milk for a quick, convenient shake. You can also blend it into smoothies with your favorite fruits, vegetables, or yogurt for a nutrient-dense meal or snack. Remember to check the description below for links to great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker and other helpful resources to enhance your fitness journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.